In this video, I'll cover the Fieldwork Work Pool feature. So on the calendar right now, you'll see I'm in day view with the map open. I'll hide the map for a moment and you can go into week and or month view. When I want to see the work pool, which essentially is a list of all recurring services that can be completed at any time within a given month or period of time. And so that work pool list is here. I can hide it when you have your routes open. It doesn't show, but if you toggle over to the work pool, it will allow you to see what is on the list and what's needed to be done. When you click the filter list button at the top of the work pool, you can filter the work pool by your customer's name, the dates, filtering by technician or route, and also by frequency. So if you happen to have quite a few services or work pool appointments, right now I only have 6, so filtering isn't necessary, but if you have hundreds or thousands, filtering can help you manage that. So you'll notice in the month view, I have the ability to drag a service out of the work pool and put it on a date in the calendar. Now I will need to put it on a date in the future if I intend to drag it in month view. Now that is, I'm going to put this one back into the work pool. That is because when I am in month view, the calendar doesn't know what time I want to set it for, and it will always want you to schedule for the future. When I am in week view, you'll notice that today's date is grayed. I have a red line, and as long as I schedule the work pool appointment into the future, which is after that red line, it will work. However, you'll notice if I try to schedule it into the past, it will give me an error. So again, I'll put this service back into the work pool by going into the scheduling tab and clicking add to work pool and hit save. So now in day view, I have 2 technicians showing right now. We have the current time, and when I show map, if I select this bullseye, I can see all of the appointments in my work pool. So those are appointments that aren't hard scheduled, however they do need to be scheduled within this given period of time. So I will again drag this service over to one technician, and the pin is actually hiding down there. I'm going to go ahead and drag another service to the other technician. So as I build my calendar, my black circles turn into pinned services. So here I will click that. That's the very first service that I scheduled for the first technician. When I click that pin, it gives me a distance based on miles, or if your setting is kilometers, it will say that as well. So right now I know the closest service to this first one is the 555 Prospect. So I'll go ahead and drag that in because that is only 8 miles away. Now if I select which one's closest to the number 1, it will sort my services again based by distance, and I can then in fact schedule so that I'm eliminating drive time, reducing it as much as possible. And once I finalize all of my services from the work pool and put them on as set appointments, there's also a missed appointment list. And if I would like to see those on my calendar, I can click the X with a circle, and those services show up in red. And the same action that can be taken with the work pool appointments can be taken with the missed appointments. So when I uncheck these, I can see everything that's scheduled on my day. Now, in other parts of the system, how you know that this work is not hard scheduled or it is in the work pool. One section is going to the sales and work orders list, and when you filter the status to confirm time, everything, and I'll filter our dates out a little bit here, everything that appears as confirmed time is also in the system's work pool. So confirmed time status equals work pool. Also, when I go to the customer's main location, when I see a service that has a gray confirmed time instead of the blue scheduled, that indicates again that it is in the work pool and it is not hard scheduled. So once again, when you are on the calendar and you are utilizing the work pool, right now I don't have any, but we'll go click the missed, you will be able to scroll through in day mode. When you click one of these pins, it will tell you by distance and reorganize the list based on distance. And when you click different pins, it again reorganizes. So the list is dynamic. It's constantly moving to accommodate where you're working that day. You can also schedule out into the future just by clicking over future dates and then again seeing how many services are going to be near this hard scheduled appointment. So you would have the ability to then build your calendar for a few days out and see everything that is on the work pool list to optimize your time while you're in that area.